A, B, C are partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. A expires 3 months from the date of the balance sheet. As per the partnership deed, the deceased partner is entitled to. Now these are the entitlements for a deceased partner as per the partnership deed. Obviously his share of capital as per the last balance sheet. Interest on capital at 12% per annum till the date of death. His share of reserves. His share of profits based on the profits of the previous year, which were rupees 4 lakh. So now students, in this case the profit of the deceased partner is to be calculated on the basis of the profits of previous year. His capital was 3 lakh, general reserve 1 lakh, drawings till the date of death 20,000. Show A's capital account as it would be shown to his executor's account. So now students, we'll start by working notes, that is, we'll make sure that we calculate all these items or all these values that are to be provided to him. So first of all, we are going to start with working notes. Now students, the first point was that the capital of the partner, that is the deceased partner, should be given to his executors. So capital of the deceased partner as per the question is rupees 3 lakhs. Then second point was regarding interest on capital till the date of death. Remember students, the capital is 3 lakh. Interest on capital is to be provided at 12% per annum, but the deceased partner, that is A, expired 3 months after the date of the balance sheet. So interest would be provided for 3 months only. So into 3 by 12. That gets to a figure of 9,000. That means interest on capital would be provided for rupees 9,000. Now, the third point was regarding reserves or share of reserves. The reserves as appearing in the previous balance sheet were rupees 1 lakh. And A's share, that is the deceased partner's share according to the profit sharing ratio, was 5 by 10, that is 5:3:2, so his share would be 5 by 10. That means a reserve of 50,000, that is his share of reserve of 50,000 would be provided to his executors. Then students, coming to the fourth point, that is share of profits. As per this question, the share of profits is to be calculated on the basis of profits of previous years. So profits till the date of death. They are equal to 4 lakh, which were the profits of previous year, into 3 by 12. 3 by 12 means the proportion of profits for the 3-month period for which A has worked in this business. That means profits of the firm till the date of death were 1 lakh. Now A's share out of these profits would be 1 lakh into 5 by 10 as per his profit sharing ratio, that is 50,000. So now students, 50,000 would be provided to his executors for his share of profits till the date of death. The journal entry for this would be profit and loss suspense account debited to A's capital account. Now let us see how these entries or these amounts would be posted to A's capital account and how that capital account would be presented to his executors. The format of the capital account appears like this: particulars amount on the debit and the credit side. Now students, the first entry is by balance brought down. That is the balance of capital as appearing in the previous balance sheet. This was given to be rupees 3 lakhs. Then students, we were required to give him interest on capital till the date of death. So by interest on capital, we had calculated it to be 9,000. Then share of reserves. So buy reserves 50,000. Then students, buy profit and loss suspense account. That is his share of profits till the date of death. We had calculated it to be 50,000. Now students, besides this, drawings till the date of death were given in the question, and drawings till the date of death were given to be rupees 20,000. So drawings will appear on the debit side. Two drawings, 20,000. Now let us total it out and find the balance. The total on the credit side appears to be 3,09,000. Out of this we'll subtract 20,000. So the net amount payable is 2,89,000. Now students, since A has expired, so this amount cannot be paid to A, and A's loan account should not also be created because A no longer exists. So this particular amount would now be credited to A's executor's account. So the entry on the debit side would be A's executor's account. In case the name of the executor is given, we will write the name. Let's say A's son is his legal heir and his name is Ram. So you'll write to Ram's account, right? So since A is no longer in existence, in case of death, any balance that is there in his capital account would be transferred to executor's account. Now students, this executor's account, that is the balance in this executor's account, would be taken and treated as loan for the firm and would be disposed of as in agreement with the partners or in agreement with the executors of the deceased partner.